Alright guys, welcome back to another recap. It is a green day, very tiny green day. Today was again another very slow day in the market. So, today no trade day, small red day, small green day. I will take it any day. We're just hoping for the markets to start picking up. So I don't know when that's going to be. So for now, we just thrive, survive, conserve capital, and if we just get a random good day, kind of like yesterday, where some stocks, at least one stock starts opening up, then we can take advantage of it yesterday, and then today we just conserve capital. So less than $100 profit today. I had a couple of good trades, one red trade in total, which was MULN, and I was on it green on it first, so I went red to green, green to red on that ticker. Guys, I stream every single morning still. Even if the market's slow, I at least stay 2 hours every morning. So if you guys can ask me any questions or anything like that on stream, completely free. So if you guys aren't watching me, I suggest you go do that. You'll learn a lot and just have fun trading with the community. 15 minutes before market opens every morning. So just hit the subscribe button down below, hit the like on this video if you guys like it, and that notification bell to be notified as well. I don't bring it up often here on recaps, but I do offer a course if you're a complete beginner and want to learn how to day trade. I do offer a course down below. You can check the whole course curriculum. If you have any questions about the course as well, like I said, I stream completely free, so you guys know and see my results every single day. I'm not a scammer. I do make my money in the stock market. So if you want to learn from me and have mentorship with that course, then the link is down below with a coupon code as well. Enough rambling. Like I said, today is going to be a pretty short and sweet recap. I'm going to do MULN first. MULN wasn't even a gapper. It just started getting some momentum, and so when it put this move in here and then flagged these two candles there, that was my first ad. And let me go ahead and show the trades. Now, the one thing that I didn't realize on this one is, I nailed the bottom of this stock perfectly. That 1-2 minute flag right here. Perfect. I jumped in 10,000 shares, but one thing I didn't realize is how slow this stock was really moving. So even though I was in with 10,000 shares, I got this whole move on the way back up. So you can see I sold. That whole move all the way back up made me $50. I even took some over here and stopped out on this red candle. And then I tried it again down here. But at this point, I was like, this move here, I got the move perfectly fine. And I took shares, but wasn't enough. I got myself up 50 bucks. And then down here, I was like, okay, let me try to catch a bounce. I think I tried it here, and it flushed. And then I averaged down here, but didn't really get to pop. But on this one, I was already in with more share size because I wanted to make it count now and not get a bad trade and only make 20 bucks off of it. But unfortunately, I got flushed down on that one. So I lost about 100 bucks on there. So I went from being up 50, 60 bucks on the name to being down $44 on the ticker, and that was pretty much it on this one. The other trade, KOLD, was my biggest gainer today. Only $80 profit on this one, and actually this one just kept on running. So I just ended up not looking at it and just forgot about it. It's super slow day. I really wasn't expecting anything, so I just decided to walk away early. Kind of a downtrend here. We had that nice little push out of it. As soon as it started pulling back down to that retest of the downtrend, that is where I purchased my shares. That's where I entered my trade. The bottom of that candle is like 1642, and I got a fill of 1643. Again, this is a pretty small share size, 1,500. Yeah, I made $100 on it, or I was up $100 on it, but only made 80. But I just didn't expect anything to happen today, so I took it very small and just took 1,500 shares. I was able to get that small little scalp there, bought here and then sold there, took some runners, and it looks like I stopped out down here. So that was that one. GRWG, this one, a couple members destroyed this trade on live stream because I was mentioning that I wanted this 443 retest. I was in a little early at 446, then I ended up stopping out on this one, or I think I made a little bit of profit. This is where I should have been adding this 443 down here, and those people that were on stream were able to add at 443. They had a little bit more patience than me, held 443, and then went right back up to new high of days and put a new high from 443 up to 460s. That was 20 cents there. This probably would have been the best, cleanest trade we could have seen. Unfortunately, I butchered it and didn't get that trade followed through there. I was in too early. I stopped out and then never added back down to here again. And volume is it's a pretty big problem right now. The trades are there, but the volume, a lot of times, it scares me to jump in a trade, and just you get a lot more slippage. You get a lot. you need a lot more volume to end up getting that next leg up, you know. And if I was to do something here and just jump in with 30, 40, 50,000 shares, even though these candles themselves have 40, 50, 70, 36,000 shares, you know, then somebody big enough with a lot more money or something like that can end up doing something like this that ended up happening. So this right here got a little bit chopped up in here. This should have been the trade. Buy there, kind of all of these pivots, support now, and then get the next bounce. And then I also didn't realize that this one was easy to borrow, so I could have been shorting this stock all day long. Could have shorted here or here and gotten this nice fade. But then I saw this giant rejection, and then this candle kind of retraced all the way back up, and I was like, you know what, I kind of want to short it again. So I shorted it here. I wasn't patient with it. I just took like a $10, $15 winner here. It kind of would have worked in my favor a little bit, but I think this one ended up coming right back up. So a little bit back up. So if I would have known I could have shorted, I might have tried shorting up here, but I didn't. And then that's pretty much it. That literally is everything I traded. And the other one that I traded was Ride. But Ride, I literally made 18 bucks. Here's Ride. I think this one was going for the pre-market high break, which didn't get it, and this one's hard to borrow. I was gonna say this one actually, this is one that faded pretty well. Anyways, so I was looking for the high of day break. I think I bought a tiny little pullback here. Was looking for the higher break. Didn't get it, quadruple top, and then tried going for it stuff, and so we never got that new pre-market high break on that one. So that's really it, guys. This is all that I traded today. It's probably gonna be one of the fastest recaps I've ever done. But anyways, if you guys are still trading today, I'd be careful. If you guys were small red, small green, even break even, or no trades today, you know, congratulate yourself. Today is a very slow day. We just hope that the market picks up again, and hopefully we get some action again. So I'll see you guys tomorrow on the live trading session or tomorrow's recap. You guys have a good rest of your day.